prep has already been done on this crack. Okay, so the first step is to measure the piece of material that you need. You can just simply hold it up to the wall where the crack is and unroll it. And there's also an angle at the bottom of this one, so we'll overhang it a little bit so we can cut the angle. So now we're ready to start the application process of the wet and set. And the first step is wetting it with warm water. So I'm immersing in warm water, and it helps keep it from folding over on itself because it will have a tendency to try and stick to itself. So, and bring it right to the wall and press it on. And you can just use your hands for this, and it moves around and adjusts easily, so no big panic or rush. Just take your time and get it on there right where you want it. So just smooth it out, make it as smooth as possible. And you just, I left it a little bit short on the bottom so I can feather the joint compound to the trim, and there's not going to be a big buildup there. This product has a quick dry compound on it, so it takes about 15 minutes, at which point we can just come back and finish the project. Okay, now that the wet and set mesh material has dried, we're ready to continue with the next step, which would be top coating with joint compound. I prefer to use a quick set joint compound product that allows me to do multiple coats in a day, because we'll probably have to do a second coat over this at least before it will be ready to sand and paint. So I'll go ahead and apply that. Right now I'm just basically crudely applying the joint compound, and then I'll go back and remove excess material by feathering the product from the middle out to the sides. I'm using more pressure in this, right here, I'm using more pressure on the left side than the right to create a gradual ramp, I guess, up to the middle of the joint, of the repair area. You just want to knock down any ridges, and you don't want to try and do it all in one step. Best just to, less is more here. Just apply a nice smooth even coat, and then you can go back and touch it up afterwards with a second coat. That should be able to create a surface that's nice and smooth, ready to sand and paint all in the same day. So using the quick set joint compound products, you can do multiple coats in a day. You can use all-purpose joint compound. You'll just have to let it dry overnight. But we like to try and get as many coats on in a day so we can start painting as soon as possible.